Start by finely slicing 6 cloves of fresh garlic. Keep slicing until the garlic is nice and even. Transfer the sliced garlic to a mixing bowl. Pour in a quarter cup of Diet Coke. Add 1 cup of banana sauce and 3 tablespoons of black pepper. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Mix in half a teaspoon of ancho chili powder and garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste. Pour in half a cup of soy sauce. Follow that with a quarter cup of oyster sauce. Zest 1 lemon directly into the marinade for a fresh citrus aroma. Cut the lemon in half, then squeeze in all of the fresh lemon juice. Stir everything together until the marinade is smooth and well combined. Now grab your sliced pork belly and get ready to marinate. Place the first strip into the marinade, making sure it's fully coated. Continue layering in the remaining pork belly, coating each piece evenly. Cover and marinate for at least 4 hours, or overnight for the best Filipino barbecue flavor. Let's fire up that grill. I like to BBQ mine over lumped charcoal. For the best results when smoking, make sure the temperature is stabled out. Do not be afraid to flip it. The meat will caramelize more with each flip, locking in that amazing fire flavor. Stick around to see how simple and beautiful this dish truly is. You want to cook this for 25 to 20 minutes or until the meat reaches 185 degrees Fahrenheit. Look at how beautiful and juicy those pork belly strips are. We love slicing these into small bite-sized pieces and making rice bowls. You can also make kebabs with these. This makes for a truly savory meal prep for those busy nights when you need a little comfort food. Are you ready for the reveal? And there you have it. Filipino-style BBQ pork belly strips. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, give it a share, and tell me in the comments what you'd like to see me cook or explore next. Your suggestions help inspire future adventures. Until our next adventure, take care.